Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to animate nature, trees or cloud in After Effects without any plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition, I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to file and import your image. I'll choose this one from Google. Drag and drop, press S to increase it like this. Okay, yeah. Now I'll add a mask around this tree. So I'll go to tools, pen tool, and I'll add a mask like this. Okay, yeah, yeah, very good. Now go to masks, mask one, and mask feather, change it to 80. So now let me go to effects and presets and I'll type turbulent displace. Double click or drag and drop. Then I go to amount, change amount to 70. Also size, decrease it to 205 or 200.5. Then I'll go to evolution, alt click and I'll type here time times 500. Okay, and go to effects, turbulent displays, and I'll go here to compositing options. Okay, then go to this plus and click, yeah, and see. This is our animation on this tree. So now let me animate this cloud. So let me go to effect, distort and slant, CC slant. Okay, go to first frame, keyframe on slant, last frame and change it to 15. Okay, so now let me fix this one. So I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type motion title. Okay, double click or drag and drop. Then I'll put this open up slant. So let me go to output width and I'll increase it like this. Okay, now let me add a mask around. So let me add mask around cloud now. So go to tools, pen tool and okay, open trees, mask 2, feather. I'll increase feather a little bit like this. Okay, very good. So now let me go to effects, okay, and CC slant. Then I'll go compositing options also and click here. Then go to mask 1 and choose mask 2. And yeah, see. this is our animation. Okay, for fun, just for fun, I'll go to file and I'll import birds. I'll take it from YouTube, and I'll go to effect, keying, and key light. Then I'll go here and press here, and let me first, I'll press S to increase it. And let me change the color. So let me go to color correction and tint like this and see. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.